Hey everybody, this is Rusty from the Wichita Falls Athletic Club. Today we're going to talk about the chin-up again. Last time I had you, I talked about how I like to use a lat machine protocol to strengthen somebody to where they can control their body weight up on the chin-up bar. Now here's the thing that I didn't touch on. Whenever you are strong enough to control your body weight on the chin-up bar, you need to start practicing your chins, even if you can't do a chin-up. And there's a couple ways to do that. One way is by the negative. If you're by yourself, if you don't have any help, get a box, put it underneath you, and get it to where you can reach up and grab the bar. You're gonna jump up, touch your chest to the bar, and you're gonna hold yourself in that position. You're gonna squeeze in that top position, and then you're slowly going to lower yourself. Very, very slowly. Keep the same consistent speed until you get to full extended arms, and you're going to jump again, touch your chest, squeeze, and slowly lower yourself again. I would start off with like a 3x3 and then a 3x4, 3x5. You do these, and if you need to, add in some lat pulls, and you're gonna be doing chins in no time, again, as long as your body weight is under control. It's gonna be hard to do this if you are overweight. Another method that I prefer, and this is because I'm a coach and I can assist people with this, and I use this with the kids a lot because kids can normally get their chin-ups pretty quick. They don't have to spend a lot of time on this or do negatives. It's just an assisted chin-up. To do an assisted chin-up, you're gonna go in the bottom of the chin-up. Someone's going to take their hand and put it right in the middle of your back and just basically just help you get to the top. And then they're gonna let go, let you control yourself down, and then get you back up to the top. This, I find, is the best way to get people to start their chins after they are strong enough to control their body weight. Again, everybody doesn't have somebody to help them out, so you might have to just do negatives, but if you do, this method is going to be the best way to do it. You do these and you keep practicing, you'll end up getting your chin pretty quick, all right? So I hope this helps. Thanks.